Check, mic. All right. Ayan, good evening. Ay, nawala na naman. Alright. Yeah, that's better. I'm showing now. So, F. Gusto lang to. Nagkaroon naman ng technical issues kanina. But then again, welcome everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Today, napakadaluan na Monday sa inyo. But, as I say, this is expected. This is to be expected kasi sa PSE. So, market has been on a downtrend. We're still expecting it for it to drop. Ayan, nandiyan na naman si market. Napakaasa na naman tayo. Check. Mic. Nag-e-echo. Check. Mic. Nag-e-echo? Galang ha. Mr. Lord, nag-echo po yung mic niyo po. Let me see what problem is. One moment. It shouldn't be doing that. Patayin ko yung background music ha. Check. Mic. Nag-echo ba? Headphones stream output. Hey. How about now? I think that's better. Oh, no, hindi. Dapat nag-echo to pag ganito. Okay na. Alright, sorry. Sorry about that. So many technical issues earlier. Magandang umaga po. Oh, good evening po. Yung camera naman. Oh, no. What is the problem? Kanina pa to eh. It's everywhere. Yeah. One moment. And I don't know about so many issues right now with our live para sa PSEI napakabulahan. I'm just gonna tuloy natin. Ganito lang muna. Good evening. Pasensya na. So many issues kanina. Pahinay kamay volume sa Cocomelon. Yeah. Sorry. Nag-echo na po. Nag-echo ulit. Oh, sir. Pero yung sounds nag-echo po. Bumalik ang echo. Yeah, I think this is the problem. Okay? I think okay na. Ayan, okay na siguro. Alright, I think I saw the problem now. Thank you so much for letting me know. Ay, napakaliit na lang oras natin. But man, PSEI dropped kanina. Alright, I'm gonna share my screen. Okay na. Ayan, so at yung problema kanina, PSEI. Alright, let's look at the watcher. PSEI dropped 2.94%. 1.33 billion net foreign selling. So much money coming out of the market, and that is why the market is dropping once again. This is sad. Pero, yun we're seeing lockdowns happening. Tagaytay, lockdown. There might be lockdowns in mas maraming lugar dito sa Pilipinas magkaka-lockdown. So, that's a problem right now of our sa country natin. Let me just adjust this. May binago kasi ako tas ayun, nagka-problema. Tinasting ko na to kanina eh. Yeah, let me go to the comments. We're just gonna go podcast for we're just gonna go podcast for for this day, alright? All stocks, la Primex good, nag-bounce naman si Primex pero yan, wala pa siyang pullback. Wait for the pullback for you to get in if you want to get in Primex. Even international market, nag-pullback nga tayo pa nga nagkaka-lockdown na. But yeah, that's the main reason bakit nagkaka-lockdown, bumabagsak ang market natin ngayon. That's because of the lockdowns happening. Right? Gabi, Benedict, good evening, Ishi, Marimat. Let me just adjust this. Romeline, Adriano. Alright, good evening, sir, from Eder Yadaw. Good evening, Richard Aguilera. Right, present from Lipa City, Batangas. Right, audio, sir. Ayan, I was reading your comments kanina, nagka-problema tayo sa echo. Alright, Darius Buddy there, that's good. Ayan, okay na. Pasensya na, nagka-problema tayo. Good evening, Benji Unabia. Sam, thank you. Freeze frame. Okay na. Right. Good evening, sir. Di pa ako nakagalaw screen. Restart your computer. Ilang beses ko na na-restart. I bought something kasi ngayon. Tapos linagay ko sa PC. Tapos nagka-problema tuloy. Alright. Ox na, sir. Yung sounds ng echo. Yan. Yung button ng electro naka-on. I don't know what button that is. Ayan, okay na. Guitar God, Sir Lloyd, your thoughts on possible GCQ, MECQ? I fear it will negatively affect the market again. Ngayon parang dami ng foreign selling. Yes, definitely. Nakita nyo kanina what caused the market to drop? PSEI. If you can see right here, ito yung net foreign buying or selling. If green ito, then that is net foreign buying. If it is red, then that is net foreign selling. Kahapon we were just around 250 million selling. Ngayon, nag-times 5. Times 5 ba? Yeah, nag-times 5 halos yung net foreign selling ngayong araw na ito. Right? Because of the lockdowns na nangyayari. Again, foreigners are just looking at the news. If ever pangit yung news sa country, lumalabas sila. Why put it there when there are other countries who are doing well, who are recovering already? So, sadly, ayan, and napakabagal ng natin. Napakabagal ng vaccination natin. That's the sad thing if we don't have money. Okay? Yung country natin, we have enough money but we really cannot order malakihan. Napaprioritize yung countries na malalaking pera. So, yeah, that's sad. But, on the blue side, on the bright side, bumabagsak ang market, then there is very good opportunities for other positions in the future. We'll just have to wait. Nakita nyo po, daming pula kanina, right? Ang daming pula kanina, especially the blue chips. Walang blue chips na mapili gaano, right? So, yeah, sad, Guitar God. We'll just have to wait for the market to really recover. Yun yung sinabi ko sa inyo kahapon. There are technical analysis possibilities sa market, pero walang kwenta ang technical analysis if the market itself will go down. If it's is bearish, and it's very bearish right now. Laki ng selling. Rowena Villa, good evening. Good evening, Erlene Bernaldez. Sir, pasite naman po ng GM. Thank you po. Let's check out GM. Right. Let me just... At hanggang 750 lang tayo ngayon, tapos nagkaroon pa ako ng dami. Market yesterday, pulled back. Right? Ang lakas ng pullback ng market. Pero si GM, that's good for you guys kasi yung mga naghahanap ng entrance kay GM, possible support is right here. Pero pwede itong mag-bounce anytime soon. Let's check out Fibonacci kung okay ba yung retracement niya. To the top, yan, sa 0.618, nasa 0.618 siya nag-bounce. And yeah, if you are aggressive, this is the pullback. 0.618 is gonna be your entry. Or if it goes back to support, then this is where you wait for it. Itong support na ito for GM. Okay? Bilisan ko lang kasi napakalit lang oras natin. Sorry. Paolo, Sir Pasite po, we already checked that out. 𝐴𝑠𝑒N from Jocelyn T. 𝐴𝑠𝑒N, Doji lang kanina eh. There's good volume kay 𝐴𝑠𝑒N, kaso nga lang hindi talaga makagalaw. Not enough buying right there, so it's a mix. Wait for it to do a breakout right there. Pa-breakoutin nyo po, or if it goes back to support, then that is gonna be your entry. So these are entry number 1, most likely will happen. If it doesn't happen, then we're looking at this entry right here for 𝐴𝑠𝑒N. Davin Sir from Jocelyn. Alright. Pasensya na guys ha. I was having technical issues earlier. So yeah, the Minci, bumabagsak pa. Stay away from it. Just stay away from it for now. Sobrang bagsak. Bakit ganito? Vinci Capital Holdings. Yeah. Stay away from it. Support niya was this one right here. It collapsed the support. That's the market for you. And hopefully, pag-cut loss kayo if pumasok kayo sa support. Sir, good evening. One time, turo mo po amin ng price action. I'll write that down. One moment. I'll write that down to make sure. Price action. And price action and price action trading. We'll talk about that this Tuesday. Alright, Technical Analysis Tuesdays. Thank you for this recommendation. Let's talk about price action and price action trading. Sir, dito po, pabagsak pa ba? Pangit na market eh. I would say pabagsak pa ito. Yes, there's a very high chance that this will go down, which is good for mga investors. It's just that wala kasi investors sa market ngayon eh. So if walang investors, walang magtutulak nito pataas. Traders will not enter right now because it's very shaky. There's no clear signal for entry. Best entry right here is this support right here. Pero meron tayong maliit na trend line. It's a mix of both. Yung price action niya is a mix of both bullish and bearish kasi. So it's really not that good right now. We don't know for sure. What you need to do is react to the market. Huwag niyong huhulaan ang market, okay? Kung babagsak ito, then good. Kung aakyat, then good then. We don't really know. Just react. Anong gagawin nyo? If ever it breaks out, then enter. If it goes down, then abangan nyo sa support. Ganun lang dapat ang ginagawa sa market. Right? Huwag nyo pangunahan. Huwag nyo huhulaan. Right? Sayang, sana may short selling na tayo sa PSE. O nga eh. Ang daming Pinoy na pulahan lagi. Ang ganda sana na short selling. Diba? Kasi lagi naman tayong pulahan. Why not gawin nating kitaan ang pagpula? Right, mic check. 1, 2. Mic check. Maano kasi. Nagsaspike. Shout out Mr. Lloyd from Germany. This is from Maria Milagros Rethmeyer. Ang ganda ng apelido, Rethmeyer. Alright. Good evening sa inyo lahat dyan. Alright. Deljon Maumay, good evening sir. Von Soriano, good evening. Opinion mo sir sa 𝐴𝑠𝑒N, good for long term? Yes, it is a good company you want to look into for long term. So yeah, looking good naman sa 𝐴𝑠𝑒N. It's just that, enter it pag bumabagsak. Please, wag yung nasa taas. Kasi ang ginagawa ng mga tao is pumapasok sa taas. Diba? Pumapasok sa taas. Tapos pag bumabagsak, naghahanap na ngayon ng opinion kung maganda ba siya for long term kasi naipit na. Wala nang choice. Maganda bang magpaipit lang sa kanya, sir. Hope that's not the case. If ever you're looking at it for long term, please wait for it to drop before you wanna get in. Masyadong mataas pa si 𝐴𝑠𝑒N for me. Check out. Only add to 𝐴𝑠𝑒N or akala kayo pumasok kay 𝐴𝑠𝑒N kung masa at least man lang fair value niya ang presyo or going down. Alright? Meron na naman tayong mga na-spammers dito. So, yeah. May bagong news about Converge, Sir Lloyd. Yan. Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo. Mas pipiliin ko pa si Converge kaysa kay Now. Diba? And here it is. Converge has been giving us so many good news right now. Hopefully, tinitingnan nyo sa Converge kaysa tinitingnan nyo si Now. Converge plus yung pag-uusap nila kay Tesla, sila yung para mag-handle ng Tesla. Vismin submarine cables. This is good. Ano lang naman to? Company development. About time because the competition is getting stiffer. So you have to get better services. marami ring complaints about kay Converge. So this is very good for them. But the one thing that I'm looking at Converge right now is yung partnership nila. If ever sila makakuha kay Starlink, that is gonna be very good because it's gonna empower yung mga probinsya natin, right? Starlink is a good option for a telco, di ba? Let's talk about that, by the way. Okay? Marami sa tanong sa akin, Sir Lloyd, mag-ano ba to? Si Starlink with Converge, if ever matutuloy, are they gonna be in direct competition kay dito? I would say in some way, yes. Some way, yes. But if you look at the target market ng Starlink and compared to dito, you will know that hindi sila magkakompetensya, right? Starlink really, ang purpose talaga ni Starlink is for remote location here in wherever in the world magkakaroon po ng internet. Let's say for example, isang isla. I don't know ano na isla dito. Basta may alam ko yung isla or probinsya na walang internet. Matatagalan pa bago mapasok yan dito. Sobrang tagal pa bago mapasok yan dito or kung mapasok nga, 'di ba? Dito as a phone line, yung fiber line. Napakahirap abutin yan. Siguro makakaabot si dito sa cellphone. Yes, cellphone line. Yes, dito will be able to reach that. But Starlink is not for cellphone. Right? Starlink is for bahay. Instead na mag-fiber kayo, kung wala kayo access sa fiber, especially pag nasa probinsya kayo na wala ang fiber. Dito nga sa Mandawi, hirap kami magkuha ng fiber. This is the second biggest city here in Cebu. Yung location namin, nasa city kami pero hirap kami kumuha ng fiber. Para sa mga location na hirap kumuha ng fiber, there's that option, yung Starlink. May kamahalan siya. 5K a month po ang service ni Starlink. So, they are not gonna be indirect competition kay dito. So, let's answer that. Balik ko sa taas ha. Sabi ni Bert Coliba, powerful pala talaga ang Bollinger Band, Sir Lloyd. Still practicing. Thanks sa video. You're welcome. Alright, I know you guys have studied Bollinger Bands already, but I want you to watch my Bollinger Band video. Search for Bollinger Bands, Lloyd Bazaar in YouTube. Meron kasi activity yon na backtesting. Right? Try to check it out. Yung backtesting activity na yon, that's how you practice your technical analysis. You can try to predict the movement of a stock using the Bollinger Bands. That's why I love using Bollinger Bands. Check it out, please. Check it out. Right? Yung nasa YouTube na Bollinger Bands. We did talk about Bollinger Bands here sa Facebook. Pero sa Stocks Ed na live natin sa Daily Grind. Pero yung na-upload ko po sa Facebook na Bollinger Bands, mas maganda po yun. Dito for piso, yes, sabi ni Angelo Andrew Rosario. If ever mag-piso man, then man, buy it. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pasuyo naman kay JFC. Maraming salamat, JFC. Mustahin natin si Jollibee. Big drop today. Let me share my screen. Big drop today by Jollibee. Yan. Tingnan natin saan ito pupulutin. Tindi ng selling eh. Tindi ng selling. There is a support right here. Nag-sustain naman at the support at the very least. But I don't think this support is gonna hold with the market, with how the market is moving right now. Kung wala tayong good news sa COVID natin, I don't think there is gonna be anything happening to our para sa ating PSEI. Pwede po ba gamitin ang ascending triangle sa ASEN? Kamustahin natin nga si ASEN. Tinaanan natin ngayon ito kanina. Ascending triangle for ASEN, yes, pwede pong gamitin. That's a higher high right there. So, ito yung sinasabi ko. It might be a breakout because it's on an ascending triangle. If that's your entry right there. And then, if ever mag-collapse man yan, sa support nyo po, pupulutin. Richard, good job for spotting the ascending triangle right there. Dito po, piso. Right. Jepoy, Gagarin, Sir, nakausap ko na pala si Sir Haji about sa paggamit ng 𝑒𝑇ORRO dito sa Japan. Maraming salamat po sa tulong ninyo. Alright, marami pa nagme-message sa akin about sa Japan. Check out, kausapin niyo po si Jepoy Gagarin andyan po sa comments. Alright, para matulungan niya rin po kayo paano mag-create ng eToro account sa mga bawal na lugar. Let's go to what do you call this? YouTube, Single One TV. Thanks. Paulo Salveo, Sir Lloyd, fan of yours nung nagsimula ka kasi gusto ko pumasok sa stock market pero naging busy sa work kaya di natuloy. Any advice po para makapag-start sa trading? Alright, any advice para makapag-start sa trading? Check out my video. Alright, I'm sharing my screen right now, diba? Go to Financial Freedom 101. That's my YouTube video. I mean, this is my YouTube channel. Go to it and etong not the live. Ang pinakauna nyo pong makikita dyan na video is your the basics for video. Second, go to stocksed.com. Stocksed.com. And meron kami mga free courses for you dito. This is gonna be your basics. Right? This is gonna be your fundamentals. This is gonna be your core in the stock market. Para maintindihan nyo bakit gumagalaw ang stock market, what causes prices to go up, what affects our economy. Those are very important na knowledge na dapat meron kayo bago kayo pumasok sa stock market. Go to stocksed.com, get our free courses right here. We have premium courses if you wanna up your knowledge. Okay? May bayad po yon pero pwede kayong malibre niyan. How? Gawa kayo ng eToro account using that link in the video description of how to create an eToro account, and then fund it just $200. You can get one of our premium courses for free. Libre na ni eToro yan. Just send us a message if ever ginawa nyo yan. If ever ayaw nyo gumawa ng eToro account, you can still get a discount in our courses. Andyan po. And premium course coupon discount, use 𝐿Bazaar. You can get a 300 peso discount in getting our premium courses. That's what I recommend. Gusto nyo libre, meron tayong libre dito. I also have video sa YouTube ko. Tingnan nyo po yan. Alright, if you wanna learn how I trade, paano ko ginagawa ang trades ko, so you'll understand how I do my trading from the preparation, lahat. Punta kayo dito sa Patreon. Bliktad. Yan. But it's a Patreon. And merong isang option dyan for you to get all my premium videos while helping me out, right? Promise ko po sa inyo is hindi ko po ibubulsa yung binibigay ninyo dyan sa Patreon. If you wanna help me out, just donate. If you wanna help me with my cause, just go to Patreon, andyan sa baba, and donate. If ever kasi magdo-donate kayo ng malaki, I'm gonna give you the premium courses for free. Yung premium course ko, yung the trading masterclass, it's gonna be for free for you guys if ever magdo-donate kayo dyan. So at least may maibigay kasi ako sa inyo in return na, diba? Alright, let's go back to Paulo. Totoo sir, grabe yung Bollinger Band tutorial mo before. Liber, Fatality Sir Lloyd, Tugo, and SPC. Let's check it out. International market, nag-pullback ang market. I am now down 900 na lang yung profit ko. That was 1,100 yesterday. Normal lang yan. Markets are pulling back. Hopefully, if you wanna go copy trading, pwede nyo po akong kopyahin. You can copy me anytime you want to. It's available, right, for copy trading. Right, let's go to may request dun sa YouTube Tugo and SPC. Time check tayo, 7:42. Tugo, hanggang 7:50 lang ako pwede ngayon kasi I still have to eat dinner and prepare for my 8 p.m. na live. Meron ako ibang live. Tugo, massive pullback. Let me load my chart layout. Kumustahin natin si Tugo with the Bollinger Bands and RSI. Tugo. Yun. Ibibenta ni Dennis Roy si Tugo diba? Nagbebenta siya ng stakes, but look at that, MA20 bounce for Tugo after touching the upper Bollinger Band. This is good. This is momentum for the stock. It's just that, this is momentum for the stock. It's just that, with the market, nahila siya pababa. Nag-bounce naman siya sa MA20, which is good. There is momentum in this But our market is deadly. So if ever you want to trade this, use the MA20 as your support as much as possible. Alright. Next po. Taka lang. I-delete ko lang tong nga nagsaspam. Alright. Ay, meron pala dito from Rene Bahian. Nickel naman po. Nickel. N-I-K-L. Kamusta natin si Nickel? Bearish triangle. Right here. If you wanna go aggressive, tignan natin kung mag-bounce to sa support if it respects the support right there, which I don't think will happen when considering the market. Could be wrong. Abangan niyo po dyan. Baka mag-bounce dyan sa support. Or if it breaks out. Eto dito. Or if it breaks out for nickel. Okay? LJ Tolentino, pasilip naman po si Tesla. Let's check out Tesla. Alright, pullback international market kagabi. So yeah, pullback for Tesla. We're gonna wait for Tesla to bounce before you wanna get in Tesla. Okay? Hopefully mag-support nga si Tesla. If ever pumunta to sa support and bounces right there, that is gonna be your entry point. Let's check out the RSI at that point. But yeah, that is gonna be your entry point for Tesla if ever you wanna get in Tesla. Okay? Next po, tapos na tayo kay JJ Tolentino. Sir Lloyd, pasuyo sa Givo. Si Givo. From Kyle Morales Ponos, thank you Sir Lloyd sa Patreon mo. I'm just often watching to confirm my biases. If tama rin, TA ko. So far, tumatama naman, big help. You're welcome. Kyle Morales Pono. That's very important, right? Practice your biases. If ever meron na kayong system na nakita na maganda, for example, you took up my courses and you wanna apply, you learned from my trading style. Okay? What you do is test it out. Tingnan nyo if okay hiyang sa ninyo, hiyang sa oras ninyo, hiyang sa what do you call this, sa profile ninyo mismo as a trader. If okay lang ba sa inyo yung gains. Medyo mababa yung gains ko compared to others because mas active naman sila mag-trade. Pero ako I want chill type of trading. So yan yung tinuturo ko sa inyo. Okay? If ever okay sa inyo, try to test it out. Huwag muna gagamitin ng totoong pera, please. Right? You can copy trade na lang muna so that you won't miss out on the opportunities in the market. And then, practice in the virtual portfolio as much as possible. Okay? Givo is right here. Tapos na siya sa downtrend niya. It's already a higher high right here. Pullback. Kaso nga lang, pumula rin. Let's see if ever mag-bounce ulit siya, and that is gonna be your entry point. Second entry point is right here. Okay? That's for Givo. Palantir. Ano ba yung ni Palantir? PLTR, hindi PLTN. Alright, PLTR supports are right here. Problema kay Palantir, sobrang taas na. I don't like Palantirs that much because nasa gap up level siya, di ba? Sobrang taas na ni Palantir. But if you know the fundamentals talaga of Palantir and you think it's good, it's showing us good signals right now. Hopefully, at this support, mag-bounce siya for you guys. That is going to be the time for you to check it out. Edgar Yadao, sir, I'm a new already visited your YouTube. You're welcome. I want more to learn. Thanks. You're welcome po. Ito na naman, si Alan Joe. Mute. Ban from stream. Ban na kita sa stream, pare. Pasensya na. And I'm gonna delete your comment. Kyle Morales po, no, thank you sir. Sa Patreon mo, I'm just often watching to confirm my biases if tama TA ko so far. Ay, nabasa na pala natin yan. Tesla, pare. Alright. Sir, I'm new, already visited. And ito naman, si Insights po, kay PSE, si ASEN. We already covered ASEN. Let it break out. Review lang natin, baka hindi niya naabutan ganyan. Let it break out from this one right here for ASEN, or if it goes to the support. Kasi may ascending triangle tayo dyan for ASEN. Right, on the international market naman si X, right? New York Stock Exchange na X. Good. Tingnan na natin. Experiment tayo. Ano nangyari dito sa, ano na to? Fibonacci nito. Very massive climb, and look at that. Where did it climb? Where did it start bouncing? 0.5 sa 0.3 to 0.5. That is how you catch this kind of stock. It's just that right now it's closing inside the Bollinger Band, so medyo mahina na yung momentum niya. It's already too late for me to really catch this one out. Napakaliit na lang ng napakaliit na lang ng upside natin. We're gonna hit that very strong resistance, and that is a painful resistance right there. That's a bearish resistance. I don't like to enter it right now. Masyado mataas na yan. Right. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check ko sa mga US airlines. Meron pa dito. Pa-check din, sir, ng oil. Kamustahin nga natin ng oil sa international market. Ang ganda na ng ang ganda na ng climb ni oil. Hindi ako nakasabay kay oil. Right. But yeah. Ayan. Nagpo-pull back na si oil. So I think this is the time for it to, tingnan nga, I'm kind of bearish with the climb right now already. Because there is lower highs already, medyo bearish signal na yan. If ever mag-red na naman to somewhere here, so you can short this one out. That's what I think about oil. Medyo malakas na yung akyat niya, so magpapahinga pa yan before it will start climbing up again. For now, it's already looking bearish for me. Sir, good evening, sir. Pa-check po sa US Airlines, UAL. Time check 7:50. So, last 5 na lang. Bilisan lang natin. UAL, let's go to the chart. Okay, UAL is looking good. Dito na ako titingin sa Instagram sa. Bilis. And UAL. Ganda. Let it pull back, man. Let it pull back and then let it bounce before you wanna get in. Medyo nakalipad na si UAL. Hopefully, nakapasok kayo dyan. Breakout was a signal right there. After nag-breakout, look at that, nag-gap up. So, nakalipad na po yan. Naiwan na tayo dyan. So, stay away from it as much as possible. DAL. Pasensya na if hindi ko masasagot lahat, ha. Last 5 na lang tayo. Sir, good evening. Pwede kaya mag-short ngayon habang nagpo-pull back si market? Yes, definitely, if ever. Pero tapos na yung pullback eh. You're going up, you're going against the trend. I think this is a reversal already. The market's going up. Why do you go short? That is very, very bad for you to do that. If ever downtrend ang market, that is when you look to short assets. Ngayon na mukhang nagre-reversal na international market. That's the time that you go long, okay? So, do not go against the overall trend of the market. Unless na delikado nga yun downtrend na isang stock pero market is bullish. If the stock is downtrend pero maganda naman yung stock, delikado yan i-short. You have to go with the market as much as possible. Delta Airlines, after breaking out, nag-fail siya. Yeah, MA20. Check MA20 for your bounce right there, man. If you wanna test this out. I don't like it since medyo mataas na siya, but you can never deny the trend. Nag-breakout nga siya sa previous resistance niya, di ba? So, let it break out as much as possible or pull back yung entry mo. Okay. Alright, hindi ko babasahin lahat, ha. NVAX, NN, net. Ito lang muna, NVAX. Last 2 na lang kasi. I wanna give others chance sa request nila. It's already 7:52. Running out of time to prep. Ito yung downtrend. Ito yung recovery na ng market. Ito yung sinasabi ko na possible reversal na. So, it's not good to short stocks right now. NVAX pulling back. That's good. Let it pull back. Next bounce will be your entry for NVAX. Philip Morris po. Check if tama ang TA ko. Bullish. Let's check out Philip Morris. Hindi ko alam ang code ng Philip Morris eh. PM International. Tada! Very bullish right now. Right, maganda. Maganda yung climb with volume pa yung breakout niya. So that's looking well. Wait for it to pull back and bounce. That is gonna be your entry for Philip Morris. Good find. Alright, it's already 7:53. Pasensya na. That's all the time I have for this day. Medyo na-delete tayo ng simula kanina eh. So, my bad. But simula ulit tayo next week, alright? Next week, Money Mondays, I'll look for a good investment topic for you guys, especially yung mga na nasubukan ko na. And then, Tuesdays, yung request kanina about, what do you call this? About price action. Yun yung topic natin Tuesday. So, abangan nyo po next week. It's gonna be very good. Well, the market is pulling back. PSEI is still pulling back. Nagda-downtrend pa rin. So, let's maximize our learning. Prepare for the reversal of the market. That's a perfect strategy for you guys. Okay? So, that's it for this day and this night and this week. I'll see you again next week. Enjoy the rest of the night and enjoy the rest of the weekend. I'll see you Monday. Let's get rich together. God bless and stay safe. Para hindi na tayo mag-lockdown. Please, wag na kayo labas ng labas kung hindi kailangan. Bye, everyone.